students, I am a science teacher and today I am going to teach you Science IIT. Today we start our 5th chapter of Science IIT, that is Electricity and Circuit. What is the name of our 5th chapter? Electricity and Circuit. So before starting this chapter, there is a need to know about a famous scientist which play very important role in electricity. The word electricity first used by a famous scientist, William Gilbert. Who used this word? William Gilbert. Okay. He is an English physician and natural philosopher, and he is famous for his book De Magnete. Which book? De Magnete. And also he is credited is one of the originator of term electricity, which we use word in our daily life. Electricity is originated by William Gilbert. He is considered as by some as the father of electrical engineering or electricity and magnetism. By some pupils or some scientists, he is considered as a father of electrical engineering or electricity and magnetism. Okay. And the word electricity was the history. Then we discussed about the history of word electricity. Electricity was first used in 1646 by Sir Thomas Brown, a famous scientist. He is also a very famous scientist. In 1646, by Sir Thomas Brown, he used the word electricity. But this word is derived from the Gilbert's 1600s New Latin electricus, which meaning is like umber. Okay. Since 13th century, this term had been used. But Gilbert was the first. Gilbert, the famous scientist William Gilbert, was the first one to use the word as a mean like umber and its attractive properties. So the credit goes to William Gilbert. Okay. And he recognized that friction when two or more objects, when we create friction between these objects or two or more objects, so due to the friction a surface or a layer is removed from the objects, or some objects removed from the object layer. This layer is called as effluvium, which would cause attraction between the objects. Suppose you rub or you friction to two objects, a surface is removed, effluvium, then two objects attract each other. The objects attract each other. Why? Because of electric charges. There, after friction, the electric charge is created on the surface of the objects. Okay. Then in this chapter, and William Gilbert, scientist, born in 1544 and he died in 1603. Okay. In this chapter we discussed on the different topics: electricity, electric cell, electric circuit we discussed, and electricity serves us in three ways. in this topic we discussed on three things: lighting effects of electric current, heating effect of electric current, and magnetic effect of electric current. And then we discuss on the domestic circuit which we use in our daily life. Okay. Then first we discussed on the electricity and circuits. So we know that electricity is used for the many purposes in our daily life to make our life easy. Electricity is used to run the electric gadgets and electric instruments like freezers, washing machine, and vehicles also. Okay. So in simple words, what is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical charges. In simple language, what is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical charges. Flow of electrical charges is known as electricity. Okay. And what is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a combination of some electronic components like resistors, battery, switch, ammeter, voltmeter, and bulb. These connected by a conducting wire, and they form a circuit in which electric current can flow. Okay. I show a circuit to you to understand the electric circuit by a diagram. So by this diagram you can easily understand what is circuit. This is a circuit. Here they show a circuit, electric circuit, in which a bulb, a switch, and a battery is connected by the conducting wire. Okay. So from the battery, current can flow from a terminal. We know that a cell or a battery has two terminals, positive and negative. So the electric current flow from one terminal and from one terminal through the electric bulb or any electric gadgets and pass out and come back to the battery. So due to the flow of electric charges, the bulb glowing. Okay. So it is the electric circuit. Here two more words is used other than bulb, switch, and cell. They use ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure the electric current, and voltmeter is used for the measurement of voltage. So these are not shown in this diagram, but we discussed later. Okay. Then come to the next point, electricity. So we know that electricity is used and electricity also play a vital role, a very important role in our daily life, and it is the most useful form of energy. We know that electricity is the form of energy and it is very most useful now these days, and it is used in our daily life for the heating or cooling our rooms for the by the AC and heaters we use, and it is used for the cooking and for running refrigerators also. Okay. Electricity is the form of energy exists as a charge of atom. Electricity is a charge of atom. So before continue on this topic, I explain you what is atom and what is electric charges. Okay. Without understanding this, we are not able to understand what is electricity. Okay. Suppose we are discussing about the atoms. For example, different types of elements are present in our nature, and every element is made up of, or any compound or any object is made up of elements. So suppose we take an element, for example, we take sodium. Sodium is a metal. So we take sodium. So when we study about the atom of sodium, so it is the atom sodium, and it is the atom. Okay. So in the center of the atom there are two types of particles are present, protons and neutrons. These are present in nucleus of the atom. Protons has positive charge, neutral, by the name of neutron we are easily understand, it doesn't have any charge. And in the outer cells of the atoms there are present some small particles, negative charge particles. These are electrons. So protons are positive, electrons are negative charge, and neutral doesn't have any charge. So the electric current or electric charge is, or electricity is the flow of electrons or the negative charge. The electricity causes only because of the electrons. Okay, so there are two types of charge, positive charge and negative charge. Okay, so there are two types of charge, we already discussed, positive and negative. Two types of charge, positive and negative charges. Okay, electric current is caused by particles. Electric current is caused by only one type of particle, that is electrons, we discussed, and they carry negative charge. Okay, when these charges stay, when the charges is stay, then we called it static electricity. When electric charges stay, then we called it static electricity. If the charges are flow, then we called it simply electricity or electric current. Okay, electricity or electric current. Generally out of the elements, most of the metals have electrons loosely bound in their outermost cells. Electrons is loosely bound, so they release the electrons. Okay, generally metals, there we discussed on some metals. Generally metals loosely bound electrons in their outermost orbit. Orbit means there is a nucleus of atom, and outside the nucleus there for the place for the electrons where they present, these are called orbits. First orbit, second orbit, and third orbit, fourth orbit. The number of orbits are depend on the number of electrons. Okay, so these electrons made to flow in a particular direction in electric current. Okay, this is called electricity. And but generally these electrons are moved randomly in any direction, but when they flow in a particular direction, these are known as electricity. Okay, the flow of electric charges in a particular direction is known as electricity. The amount of charge are flow as if the amount of charge flow per unit time, then is known as current. The flow of electric charges is known as electricity, and the flow of amount of charge in a particular time, in a unit time, is known as electric current. Okay, so the SI unit for the charge is coulomb, is denoted by Q. Okay, SI unit of charge, and SI unit of current is ampere, which denoted by A. Okay, charge is coulomb Q and electric current is ampere A. Okay, in the mathematical equation we see like this: when 1 ampere or 1 electric current is occur, when charge 1 coulomb charge flow in 1 second, then 1 ampere current is flow. Okay, then come to the next point, electric conductor and insulator. It is very simple. the substance or the material which allow the electric current to pass through them is called electric conductor. If it is not permit or not allow the current to pass through it, these type of objects or material are called insulator. And the example of electric conductor is different types of metal like copper, aluminum, gold, silver. These all are the metals and are good conductor of electricity because they allow electric current to pass through it. And these are also used in our electric wire and electric gadgets. Okay. And the second, on the other hand, the material which not allow the electric current to pass through it are called non-conductor or insulator. Okay. The example of it are glass, air, plastic, rubber and wood. Importance of electric current. Conductor are used. What is the importance? Conductor are used for making electric wire and insulator are used to cover the electric cable or other equipment. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask.